you want to check out the channel, it's Hunter Theus.
Hunter Theus?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That would be sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, bro. Yep, have a good one.
See you around the sun.
Yes, sir. All right. We outie. All right, so we're going to a car meet right now. He's not going. I was just on the side of the road looking at the directions because I don't know how to get there. It's like 25 minutes away. So you got to try and memorize it, you know. He pulled up to me. I asked if he wanted to come, but I guess he wants to go home. All right, he wants to do a little highway ripping. Cause I gotta go on the highway real quick to go to the car meet. Ooh, it looks busy. Yeah, it's busy. It's busy. I think I know where I'm going. I think. What's going on, bro? Yeah, I'm good. My battery just took a shit on me, so I had to change it out. How you doing?
I was like, I think he's broke down.
No, I'm good. I'm going to, I think there's a meet at I don't know, some go-kart place up okay.
Make sure you're good though.
Yeah, I'm good. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. The biker community, baby. It's the best. Well, might as well get some pictures while we're here, eh? Ooh, she look good, baby. Alright, let's go to this fucking meet. God, I hate GoPros, dude. They're always taking shits on me. Let's go catch up to this dude. Coming in hot, baby. Uh-oh, coming in hot on a cop. I don't know where it's at. And I don't know the speed limit, and I know the cops behind me now. Alright. The kid goes like, he waves his hand. I don't think my baby spits flames at all. Alright, then we should be here after this. Oh gosh. Oh, actually there's still some people here. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything special here. Where are all my bikers at? Where's my biker gang at? I have to do a big circle. Yeah, I don't see anything real special here. And where's all the bikers at? Do they all leave?
They're coming back.
Oh, they are. Bet. I'm heading up front. That's funny, my buddy's here. No one.
No one? This thing.
Hell
I
nah.
want my license right now.
That's my baby. Oh fuck, I forgot about that. Sorry. We're going to Rip though. I need to go do a little race. I gotta whip some ass. I'm probably finna lose though. Thank you, sir.
You ready to go stupid? Go crazy? Go
Yeah, I'm gonna whip all y'all ass.
Hey, oh, no way. That's it. Yeah, I told Drew if I get a bike, I have to get it one that does that. I don't want them.
Cause what?
Like, does this come up and down, or does it stay?
No, his does. Mine stays. He made his like that though. His goes up and down. His with this plate. Alright guys, that was pretty much the car meet. There's not like hella cars here, but you know, some Challengers and shit. I did a little loop for you up there, but it's you know. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, I don't want to be in too long. Oh, look at the sexy bike. No, look at mine. I got the carbon. Nice. Oh yeah, shout him out. Shout him out. What's the Insta? Patrick _ R6 _. Yes, sir. Am I? Wait. No, yours just turned off, I think. Alright, if you guys liked the video.
That was recording.
I don't see the light blinking.
Right say. Is it recording? I don't know.
Like, comment, subscribe, baby. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.